Welcome to Knowledge Hub. I'm so excited to share my knowledge and expertise with you to help you succeed in your competitive exam preparation. In this video, we'll be describe the characteristics and types of primary rocks. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. Primary rocks. The building blocks of the Earth's crust. Primary rocks are a type of rock that form directly from the solidification of magma or lava and are directly related to the process of cooling and crystallization. These rocks are considered the building blocks of the Earth's crust, providing a glimpse into the geological history of our planet. In this essay, we will discuss the key characteristics and types of primary rocks, as well as their significance in understanding the Earth's geology. One of the key characteristics of primary rocks is their young age. Geologically speaking, these rocks are considered relatively young, as they have not undergone the same amount of wear and tear as secondary or metamorphic rocks. Another defining feature of primary rocks is that they are formed from the solidification of magma or lava. This process involves the cooling of molten material, which eventually hardens into solid rock. In addition to their formation, primary rocks also have a distinct crystal structure that has not been altered by geological processes such as weathering, erosion or metamorphism. This crystal structure provides important information about the conditions that existed when the rock was formed, including temperature, pressure and the composition of the magma or lava. Primary rocks are also rich in minerals, with a composition that is representative of the original material from which they formed. This mineral composition can be used to gain insight into the geological history of the area, as well as the conditions that existed at the time of formation. There are two main types of primary rocks: igneous rocks and volcanic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava and can be further divided into two subcategories: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive rocks form when magma cools and solidifies slowly below the Earth's surface, resulting in a coarse-grained structure. Examples of intrusive rocks include granite and diorite. On the other hand, extrusive rocks form from lava that cools quickly on the surface of the Earth, resulting in a fine-grained structure. Examples of extrusive rocks include basalt and pumice. Volcanic rocks, as their name suggests, are formed from the solidification of lava that has been erupted from a volcano. These rocks can range in texture and composition, depending on the type of eruption and the rate of cooling. Examples of volcanic rocks include tuff and pumice. In conclusion, primary rocks are a crucial component of the Earth's crust and provide valuable information about the planet's geological history. Their young age, formation from magma or lava, and distinct crystal structure set them apart from other types of rocks, and their mineral composition can be used to gain insights into the conditions that existed when the rock was formed. The two main types of primary rocks are igneous rocks and volcanic rocks, which are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava, respectively. Understanding the characteristics and types of primary rocks is essential for gaining a deeper understanding of the Earth's geology. Summary: primary rocks are those that form from the solidification of magma or lava and are directly related to the process of cooling and crystallization. They are considered the building blocks of the Earth's crust. The following are some of the key characteristics and types of primary rocks. Characteristics: young age. Primary rocks are relatively young, geologically speaking, cooled from magma or lava. They are formed from solidification of molten material. Structural integrity. They have a distinct crystal structure that has not been altered by geological processes such as weathering, erosion or metamorphism. Rich in minerals. They contain minerals in their original composition and can serve as an indicator of the conditions that existed at the time of formation. Types: igneous rocks. These rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. There are two main types of igneous rocks: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive rocks. These rocks form when magma cools and solidifies slowly below the Earth's surface. Examples include granite and diorite. Extrusive rocks. These rocks form from lava that cools quickly on the surface of the Earth. Examples include basalt and pumice. Volcanic rocks. These rocks are formed from the solidification of lava that has been erupted from a volcano. Examples include tuff and pumice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Thanks for tuning into today's video on describe the characteristics and types of primary rocks. I hope you found it informative and helpful in your exam preparation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, strategies, and information to help you succeed in your studies. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll be happy to respond. Thanks again, and good luck in your exam preparation.